I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Full Deck Challenge 2, hosted by Shana of Shinoki Art, and we're on card 29. And our prompt this time is 15 layers. So I've got assorted things, and we'll just see what we get. So I hope y'all are having a great day, and without further ado, let's get started. I begin by sanding down my card just to get some of that gloss off of it. And I'm going to put down a layer of tissue paper with Mod Podge. You want to make sure you get all those corners. That's the hardest part for me when I Mod Podge tissue paper, is getting those corners. Now I just trim the edges away from the card on that tissue paper, and I start adding my layers. And I just play around with it. I use different things. I've got scrapbook paper, coffee dyed paper. I've got the cellophane from flowers that my sweet husband got me. I've got wrapping paper. I just pulled out anything I thought would kind of go with that color combo. I just had to keep playing around with the layers. I was wanting a little bit of everything to show. My first instinct was to let some of the stuff hang over the side, but I ended up changing my mind on that. And I just keep layering stuff, and finally I lost track of how many layers I had, and you couldn't see everything. So finally I just removed everything and just started gluing down and went from there. I think trimming around the edges made it look a lot cleaner and neater. And then I just ink around the edges to give it that finishing touch. I love gold splatters. So I got this tube of the Van Gogh gold that Barbara of 49 Dragonflies used. I love the way it looks when she does it, and I love doing gold splatters, so I thought I would give it a try. It took forever for it to get here, but I ordered it on Amazon. But I do the sprinkles all over my card, and then I look for a good focal point. I decided to use a butterfly, and I got these butterflies from Shabby Dabby Doodah. Tina is going through a really rough time, and I wanted to show her support, and I ordered a lot of digitals from her. And I'll probably go back and add some more. I've bought from her before. I love her digitals. She has that shabby chic style, and she just has a way of making things look so pretty. I hope y'all would think about supporting her. She had a video out and she's really going through a tough time. And a lot of the creators are supporting her. And she didn't ask for us to do this. We have such a great community that helps each other. But anyway, this is from her kit, her butterfly kit, and it is so pretty. And I decided to use that as my focal point. I was going to use these numbers, but I really thought that I didn't need them, and so I ended up just adding the butterfly on its own. I draw in the antenna, and then I go around it with my Stabilo All pencil just to kind of make it pop from the background. I still think about using those numbers, but then I decide against it. I've had this cording that I've been wanting to use, and so I decided just to cut off some pieces and just kind of glue around it. The color went so well with the background. So I just add that on for a little bit of extra dimension and texture. Well, here's card 29 of my full deck challenge 2. And I'm pretty sure I've got my 15 layers. It's hard to keep track, but I've got plenty of layers. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Be sure and check out Shana's channel at Shinoki Art. And be sure and check out the hashtag Full Deck Challenge 2 to see what everyone else has made. And I also ask that you go check out Tina's channel, Shabby Dabby Doodah, and help her out. So until next time, bye y'all.